Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're taking a look at Copilot Money Finance app. Copilot is a premium budgeting and money management app designed for iOS, Mac, and iPad. It aims to replace older tools like Mint by giving users a polished, intuitive interface plus smart automation and analytics. It connects to your financial account like banks, credit cards, or investments, categorizes your spending, tracks subscriptions, forecasts cash flow, and gives insights on budgets, net worth, and recurring expenses. Unlike free apps that only rely on ad revenue, Copilot is subscription-based, meaning you don't see ads or get upsold based on your data. You can use machine learning to classify your transactions and lets you correct or override categories. Also, it helps you see future income versus spending trends to understand where your money will go, and it can detect regular payments like subscription, rent, or utilities so you can manage them easily. With the custom categories and rules, you can create your own spending categories and rules to bucket tricky transactions and consolidates your investments, real estate, crypto, etc. in your net worth view. It has a multiple platform support by native apps on iPhone, iPad, or Mac with Sync, and the security is data handled with bank-level security, so no ads or data selling business model. But it's not free, which can deter some, and some users report difficulty in importing all transactions or investments history. Some say its budgeting tools aren't yet as powerful as flexible as legacy apps, and some users mention gaps in connectivity. Also currently limited to iOS or macOS, no Android or Windows version, and a few users mentioned small bugs or limitations in the interface. So Copilot is one of the most polished modern budgeting tools out there, especially for those who live in the Apple ecosystem and want something that just works. Its strength lies in elegant design, automated workflows, and forward-looking features. It's not perfect yet. Some advanced budgeters might miss more flexible tools or wider institution support, but the most people who want easier and smarter money tracking, it's a compelling option. Given how active the devs are, it's likely only to get better. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.